Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Snapchat widget to iPhone lock screen running on iOS 16. So let's get started. First thing is to make sure that your Snapchat app is updated. Now unlock your iPhone with Face ID. Now long press on empty space on lock screen. Press on customize button at the bottom and you will get two options, lock screen and home screen. Just tap on lock screen. Now tap on add widgets option with plus icon. Scroll down and from available widgets, find Snapchat widget. Tap on Snapchat. So the first widget is Snapchat camera. Tap on the widget option of your choice and this will be added to the lock screen. Swipe to the left and you will find another widget to pin a friend or group. You can even add this widget if needed. Close the widget window and tap on Done button at the top right. So these were the steps to add Snapchat widgets to iPhone lock screen. When you tap on Snapchat camera widget on lock screen, this will open Snapchat camera. So this is how you can add Snapchat widget to iPhone lock screen with iOS 16. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.